Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic missing digits in addition. We all know about the rules of addition, which are similar in this topic also. We know that addend 1 plus addend 2 gives sum. If addend 1 is missing in this, then we can get it by subtracting addend 2 from the sum. If addend 2 is missing, then we can get it by subtracting addend 1 from the sum. Let us suppose we have 57, that is addend 1, and 22, that is addend 2, and we get the sum, that is 79. If I am giving you a question where addend 1 is missing and addend 2 is 22 and the sum is 79, we can get addend 1 by subtracting addend 2 from the sum. Addend 1 is equal to sum minus addend 2, which is 72 minus 22, which is equal to 57. So we have to keep this value here. Now see some examples related to this topic. Suppose we are having this question where 2 digits are missing from this sum. We have to start the question from right to left. So firstly we check the ones place value, where 6 plus 8 becomes 14. We have to put 4 here and 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is here 1, 2, and that number is missing, and which gives sum is 9. Here 1 is the carry, plus 2 plus missing number gives 9. 1 plus 2 is 3, and this is the missing number and gives 9. We know that addend 1 plus addend 2 gives sum, but here addend 2 is missing, so we have to find the addend 2. Addend 2 is equal to sum minus addend 1. So we get addend 2, which is 9 minus 3, which is equal to 6. So we have to put 6 here, and we get 1 plus 2 3, and 3 plus 6 is 9. That is correct. Now come on the 100 place. Here is the vacant place, then 3, and the sum is 7. Addend 1 plus addend 2 is equal to sum, where addend 1 is missing and addend 2 is 3, and the sum is 7. So what is the addend 1? It is sum minus addend 2, which is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4. So we have to put 4 here. See another example whose statement is this. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4 vacant places are present. There are 4 missing places. We have to fill these space. So we start with the ones place value, where addend 1 is 8, addend 2 is missing, and the sum is 1. So I write here 8 plus missing digit is equal to 1. Now we know that there is only 1 digit number is present. So now we have to find a 2 digit number whose ones place value is 1. That is obvious. After it becomes 11, whose ones place value is 1. So we can write 8 plus addend 2 is equal to 11. So addend 2 is sum minus addend 1, which is 3. So we have to put 3 here. Now see here, 8 plus 3 is 11. I have put 1 here and 1 on carry, and 1 plus 3 plus 0 becomes 4. Now the next is vacant place plus 7 is equal to 1. Now again we have to find a one digit number which we have to put here, and after adding 7 we get a number which is related to 1. Now again we have to find a 2-digit number near to 7 whose ones place value is 1, and I think so it's again 11. So we can write addend 1 plus 7 is equal to 11. Here addend 1 is missing, so we can find addend 1 after subtracting addend 2 from the sum, which is 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. Now we get the addend 1, which is 4. So we have to put here 4. Now sum these two digits, that is 4 plus 7. It becomes 11. I have to put 1 here and 1 carry. Now add these numbers. 1 plus 3 becomes 4 and 4 plus 2 becomes 6. I have to write here 6. And this is also very simple. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So I have to put here 3. See one more example here. 3, 1, then vacant place, then 8, then again vacant place, then 0, then this number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 numbers are missing here. Now we have to find these 7 digits. We all know that in these place only 1 digit number can be put. So let us start with the ones place value. Here addend 1 is 0, addend 2 is vacant, and sum is 3. We all know the property, if any number is added on the 3, if any number added to 0, then we get the same number, and the sum is 3. So we can write here 3. 0 plus 3 becomes 3. I have to put here 3. Now start with this, that tens place value, that addend 1, this is addend 2, and this is sum. Here we have to write addend 1 plus 1 is equal to 7. This is sum. We have to find the addend 1, which is equal to sum minus addend 2. It becomes 6. So I have to put 6 here. Got it? 6 plus 1 is 7. Now add these two numbers. 8 plus 3 becomes 11. I have to put 1 here and 1 on carry. Now see this. 1 carry, then this place is vacant, plus 5 gives 4. 1 plus 5 plus addend is equal to 4. This is carry, this is addend 1, this is addend 2, and this is sum. 1 plus 5, 6, plus addend 2 is equal to 4. Now we all know that it is not possible to put here only 4. We have to find a 2-digit number whose ones place is 4, which is nearest to 6. So we can put here 1 and it becomes 14. 14 is near to 6. So now find the addend 2. Addend 1 plus addend 2 is equal to sum. To find the addend 2, we have to subtract addend 1 from the sum, which is 14 minus 6, and we get 8. Now put 8 here. 1 plus 8 is 9, and 9 plus 5 14. So 4 is here and 1 is carry. And now see this, 1 is carry, plus 1 is first addend, plus second addend is equal to 6. Add these two. 2 plus addend is equal to 6. 2 is the first addend, this is addend 2, and this is sum. To find the addend 2, we have to subtract 2 from the sum, which is 6 minus 2. It gives 4. So we have to put 4 here. And check this, 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 is here. Now add these two numbers. 3 plus 7 is 10. Put 0 here and 1 is carry. 1 plus 8, 9. That's it. We can solve this question very easily but with very concentration.